Hello, I'm Dani, a service coordinator at the Regional Center here in Sunnytown, California. By now, you should have had training sessions on how to use the Individual Program Plan Guide. At first glance, the guide may seem to be asking some pretty personal questions. It's true. However, the IPP workbook for the people we support is designed to respectfully dig deep, gaining insight into their individual goals and desired outcomes. This will help you explore the supports they might need. Let's meet Vinny, a service coordinator, to see how this IPP guide helps him prepare for an upcoming IPP meeting.
Hello, Isabel. It's Vinny from the Regional Center. I was just calling to confirm Sophia's IPP meeting for tomorrow.
Well, that depends if Sophia will come out of her room by tomorrow.
Oh, is she sick?
Worse. She's angry and wants to move to Paris to become a detective. Honestly, I don't know what's come over her.
Oh, so she's gone full teenager. That's totally okay. You should have seen me at 14.
Oh, how'd your mother handle that?
Let's just say she might be eligible for sainthood. Hey, I gotta go, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. By the way, tell Sophia that Vinny says Paris is overrated.
What's happening in Paris?
Oh, one of the people I support just told her mom that she wants to move to Paris and become a PI.
Paris? That's a big move.
Right. Obviously, she doesn't want to move to Paris. But Dani, what do we do when someone asks for something so beyond our reach?
I start by trying to find out why they want it in the first place. We know we can't fund moving Sophia to Paris, but if we ask, why do you want to move away, I bet you'd be surprised by her answers. For example, I once supported a person who wanted to move to Iceland. I mean, every time I talked with him, he would mention he wanted to move to Iceland. So one day I asked him, why do you want to move to Iceland? And he replied, because I can't sleep unless it's cold. And what's colder than Iceland?
Ah, so you're saying he didn't actually want to move to Iceland. He just wanted to sleep comfortably in his apartment. That's cool.
Communicating our wants and needs can be tricky for anyone. How many times have you encountered someone who looks upset but says that they're fine? That's why we send them the IPP guide, so that they can do some of the detective work before we even get there.
So by asking what does your best day look like, well, that could lead to some sort of epiphany. I get it.
Not always, but sometimes the most complex problems can be whittled down to helpful information. Let me ask you this. What does your best day look like?
Who, me? Well, I guess it's meeting with families and colleagues and helping someone I support get the life they desire.
So, it's important to you to support people.
Yeah. I grew up with 6 sisters and a single mom. I know what it's like to have a great circle of support, but still feel alone.
You felt alone?
Not alone, more like not heard. I was the youngest in my family. So I learned early when to talk and when not to.
I see. And when do you feel like you found your voice?
When I got out of New York. It was stifling there. Too many people judging my life. I wanted to live where I could be myself. So I moved to California, and I met Robin.
And your move into California was important for you because it helped you find a safe community and your place in the world.
Yeah, you get it. And now I want others to have that too.
So how do you make that happen?
By supporting them, giving them the tools to not only find their voice, but to tell us what they need. I didn't have that growing up.
And what if they don't know what they need?
Then you keep asking questions and dig deeper and use the IPP workbook that is designed to do exactly... Dani, I hate when you do that.
Do what? Listen and act upon what I heard?
Exactly. You got me again today, Dani, and I respect you even more.
Right back at ya.
Isabel, Vinny, I think I might have a solution to our Paris problem.
Today, Vinny discovered that the IPP guide for the people we support includes a workbook that is designed to ask questions and dig deep to reveal their needs and goals. But it's not just about asking questions. It's about truly listening and acting upon what we hear. Remember, person-centered planning isn't about creating better paperwork. It's about helping to create better lives.